Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to erase history in Netflix. Let's start! So first things first, just make sure you are successfully logged in to your Netflix account. So in my case for today's tutorial, I'm in my desktop and this is where I'm going to show you where or how to erase history. So my shortcut is always go to help center first, before anything else, if there's a need for you to search something so quickly, for me, the help center is really helpful. But what I'm going to do here is that you need to go to your account, okay? You need to go to your account and access that. So there's a place or an area that says like viewing history. So how to see viewing history? This is where you need to go. In my case, I'm in my web browser. I'm on my account, and you would need to go to this one. So this part right here is where you would need to access your account and look for viewing restrictions. Okay. Oh no, sorry, not viewing restrictions is actually where you control in terms of like at what age you would need to, especially if you have kids, this is where you need to go. You would actually go to just give me one sec. Viewing activity. There. So when you go to viewing activity, just click on this one. Okay. And this is where you could actually see all the previews series or movies that you can view. And way for you to actually erase that is click on this one right here. So it says hide from viewing history. If you click on that, you could receive a message within 24 hours. Whatever you're watching will no longer appear in Netflix service as a title that you have watched or will no longer be used to make recommendations to you. So there. So if you would need to, erase again, so that's something that you can do. All right. So if you need to learn more about Netflix and some tutorials, please subscribe to our channel because we have a lot of things that you can watch from there and learn from it. So if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.